Hachimals Alive. Let's open. Kaya excited na kayong isa. Guroy. Hala. Kabi may kakuha na. Receive mo din niya.
Yay!
Or habo lang atong bunting. Yes. Open. Sesame. La like it. Asa unsa man pag-open? Guroy.
Yes!
Dara ba nakita na bibi? Wahaha! Huh? There's no egg inside.
No. No. Oh, open it. This one. This one I can't open it. It's dark.
Ilad maninak walay egg ang uban. Diri bibi. Dara, tada. Oh,
That's one bag. And sleeping bag.
what?
See? One is it. There are toy eggs.
No, these are not eggs.
There are toy eggs. See?
I was expecting eggs. Like 5 eggs. 12 eggs.
Let's get them.
Huh?
Let's
What?
get them here.
Di man itinod nak.
Wait. Right back here.
Huh?
Let's open it first.
Open this one. What
Let's
is this?
open
What's inside here?
With a marrow.
Pangit na ni, di man ni mao.
Oh.
Ano man ni?
Wow, it's empty. Look at that. A bed. See? It's a bed. Oh no. Not yet. Not yet. It's not feet on. It's not feet on the other one too.
Kumanta nagtanaw nak, di mo din ni siya katong real egg. Plastic egg.
Mimi,
Yes,
let's
baby.
open this one.
Okay. How about this? Nasa ni?
This one is.
What? Kamal, ani?
This is sweeping.
Bebe.
Crack it then sweep.
How to crack this?
Use our hands. Right? Harder.
Di man ni mao.
Hard. Open it.
Ito ba nga itong kita na sa TV? Di man ni maon sa TV.
These on TV because there I watching.
What is this?
I watched this
Oh.
one. A bottle.
Can you put water? Unsa man ni
No.
nak? Unsa man ni?
And what is?
A symbol daw ni bebe.
Oh no! Don't want sweet. Don't want.
Squish,
Don't want to
squish.
go out.
Be atong kanan be. I-open. How to open this one?
Mimi, don't want to go out to breathe. Do it.
Sibog diri, sibog.
Crack it, Mimi.
Sibog
Crack
diri na nang
it.
kay sibog dara. Ali.
Crack it.
Unsa naman ni? Let's put them.
This one. First, this one.
No, mahurot na.
Is that the fox? This is that the fox. Is that the fox? Is cute. First, this.
Yeah.
Open it.
Maybe we should take this.
What would this take it all into? Then, and then there'll be present soon. Okay.
Ano to?
They're already hatched. They're already hatched too. They're already hatched.
Yeah.
They're already hatched. Two are already hatched.
Oh, they're ready to hatch.
Two
Oh,
already
I see.
hatched. Two already hatched, Mimi.
Ano ka, baby?
Whoa. Yes, it's right here. Yes, it's here.
Mura ni siya, baby.
Here. She's sitting here. She's sitting.
Ah, diri mo na siya.
Mimi. Mimi.
Okay. Yes, baby.
Mimi.
Mura ni na akong imo.
Open this first.
Hindi siya kagamay.
Open it. Let's open.
1,799 ang price. Muna 5 eggs only.
First.
Kagamay. Sa man siya? Like 6 cm.
We are not. They're ready hatched.
They're ready to hatch na. Wala na kay
They're
kuan.
already
Toys.
hatched.
Oh.
Mimi, this one first.
This one up to daw. Di man na ready to hatch yet?
At her bottle. That's her bottle. That's her
Then,
bottle.
atong i-check kung ma-ready na ba jud siya. Ready to hatch. Gahi pa man.
Cute. Rocket only.
Gahi pa man.
Rocket. Crack. Not.
Na, di pa man ready to hatch, baby.
It's there.
You wrap the purple heart with wings.
That's her wings.
Rub, 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 rub. And this one, para ma...
This one too. And these. And oh there. And one. Two.
Gahi pa uli pa ma-hatch.
There are many. SK. SK Mimi.
It's okay.
SK. Look rocket Odie. Look rocket Odie. Look rocket Odie. Look rocket Odie.